I will show you how to solve a multi-step equation like you will see in your lesson for 4.06. When we solve equations, remember that we are solving for the variable. So in this problem, when it says solve, that means that we are solving for x. And to solve for x, we want to get x all by itself on one side of the equal sign. To do that, we need to undo the operations that are being applied to the variable so that we can get it by itself. When we solve equations, the first thing we do is look at the operations that are being applied to the x term, or the variable term. And if we look at this, we have 5 times x, so one of the operations is multiplication, and then we're also adding 3 to the variable term. We start by undoing the addition. To undo the addition, we're going to use the inverse operation of addition, which is subtraction. And we're going to subtract 3 from the left side of the equation. But what we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other when we are solving. So I'm also going to subtract 3 from the right side. So we subtract 3 to undo the addition. So when I subtract 3, I'm going to bring down the 5x because I haven't applied anything to that. And then we look here and we have a positive 3 minus 3. That equals 0. Bring down our equal sign, and then 18 minus 3 is 15. We know that when we add 0 to anything, we just get what we're adding 0 to, which means we have 5x equals 15. We're almost done, but we need to undo the multiplication that is being applied to x. To do that, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 5. So we are dividing by 5 to undo the multiplication. When we divide by 5, the 5's cancel out, and we're just left with x on the left side of the equation. Bring down our equal sign, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So we're just about done, but we should check our answer. And to check our answer, what we're going to do is substitute what we found for x back into the original equation to see if the equation is true. So we have our equation 5x plus 3 equals 18, and we're going to substitute 3 back into the equation to see if it is true. And remember, to be true, both sides of the equal sign must be the same. So we plug in 3 into x, so we have 5 times 3 plus 3 equals 18. I'm going to multiply the 5 and 3 together first because the order of operations tells us to do the multiplication first. So we have 15 plus 3 equals 18. 15 plus 3 is 18. And we have 18 on the right side. And it checks, it's true. So x equals 3 is the correct answer. If you need more help with solving these types of equations, please come to Math Help and we can do more examples.